According to the International Association of Fire Chiefs, there were an estimated 24.6 million domestic fires globally in 2022. These fires resulted in 287,000 deaths and 25.4 million injuries. Fire protection and suppression products save lives and protect property. That's why it's essential that manufacturers ensure their products consistently meet the highest levels of performance, quality, and safety. BSI's testing and product certification services are respected globally, with our experts leading the way in ensuring the reliability and effectiveness of fire safety products. Based in our dedicated labs, our team provides BSI Kitemark, UKCA, and CE marking for a broad range of products, including fire extinguishers, hoses, alarm panels, heat and smoke detectors. We also test and certify more complex fire suppression systems, including gas suppression systems, kitchen fire suppression, water mist systems, and aerosol systems, alongside certification for relevant installation services. Our team subjects each product to a rigorous set of tests and robust production control audits, designed to ensure they meet the required standards of safety and quality. We test for compatibility of fire detection and fire alarm system components, ensuring they're connectable and meet installation guidelines. Regulated product certification markings such as UKCA and CE markings often provide essential certification for market access. BSI Kitemark certification takes testing to another level, including tests that other certifications don't require, such as testing that the fire extinguishing equipment actually puts a fire out, ensuring that your products meet the highest levels of performance, quality, and safety can save lives. BSI Kitemark certification. Trust and confidence in life's important moments.